Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the background of a text on Instagram. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile picture on top left corner to add a story. First, I'll just take a blank picture. Now I'll add a text. Now at the top of the screen you'll see an A inside a box. Tap on that. And it will enable the background of your text. Now tap on the colored circle to change the color of the text or background. This background option only changes the background. You can resize it as you like. And let's add another text. Now we'll choose another background option. And when we change the color, you'll see that the background color as well as the text color also changes. And that's how you can change the background color of the text on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.